Hello there, it's Deej here on my journey to catch 'em all. In this video I'm going to be showing you all a Python program I created that will turn a massive list of TCGPlayer sales that you all have to an easily printable page. Ever found yourself after a long night of listing just to wake up to countless sales that you weren't prepared for? It's a good problem to have, we all want it, but having to spend time figuring out how to print everything without wasting a bunch of paper or writing each address until your hand wants to fall off was not part of the job description. Well, I've been there, and let me tell you, I never wanted to do it again. So before I show you how to get it all set up, I'm going to show you how it works. So here you are, logged into your TCGPlayer. Pretend you have a bunch of orders, more than me. I only have 2 right now. But you're going to scroll down to your orders. You can check how many you have. Whatever, if you have a bunch, just hit select all. Then this export shipping button is going to download a CSV for you. So I went ahead and took the liberty of having ChatGPT help me create fake addresses and data for this CSV so that I wasn't doing anything illegal and can still help you guys. So once you have it downloaded in your downloads directory, the program should be smart enough to look there. If you have some weird downloads directory, you can comment on the video and I can help you adjust it if you can't figure it out. And all you have to do is double click it. In my GitHub, you'll see ways to make it double clickable. I tried to put instructions in there for Mac, Linux, Windows. So you can follow those instructions if you want to see. So once you do that, you can just double click. It makes a PDF with all the addresses that are easy to print. See, we got John Doe, Anna Smith, so this is on my printer. And now all I have to do is print. And I'm good to go. All I do is download it, double click the program, and I can print. Very quick and easy. It takes a little bit of setup, but once you're done, you're done. So this is my public GitHub repo that I have put this code in. The link to this is in the description. So if you know how to code or on Linux, you probably know about Python. If not, this is how you're going to get access to download this code. Just download the zip, and then you have to just extract the Python file out of it and put it wherever you want, because as I showed you, I had my own directory for it. You can just keep it in the downloads directory. It's going to find your downloads directory according to just the default of Windows systems. If you're on Linux or Mac, you're going to have to adjust the code to your downloads directory. And if you end up needing help doing that, let me know and I will help you. But for Windows, because that's what I developed this on, the solution will work for you. So once you get it downloaded, you just double click, and then the PDF should pop up right there in the same folder wherever you have this Python file downloaded. And this README is not important to the code, it's just instructions on how to get it all to work. So tells you how to install Python through the Windows Store, which, like I said, on Windows it's really easy. It's all pretty turnkey these days. Then you have to install a few libraries that the code uses itself, and then you just have to make the script double clickable if you want. There are bunch of other ways to run Python programs, but for somebody like me and maybe my wife, if she's ever going to do packing orders for me, which she does pack for me, which I am so blessed for, but if she ever did the shipping part, this would make her life a lot easier. And if you have somebody ship for you, it could make their life easier. So I have instructions on how to do this on Mac and Linux, but again, these aren't tested, so these were just instructions that I found. And I did look through and it all made sense to me. But again, if you have problems, let me know and I'll help you work through them. Just make a comment or contact me on my Instagram, catchemallcards. However you can get a hold of me. And it's really that easy, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And we can go into this code real quick so I can show you a few things. I tried to make comments as good as possible in case you do want to go in here and kind of see what I did or edit what I did. So right here, if you have a printer that's like a label printer and it's not like the 2-column style like I showed in my example, that works for me because I just cut them out and then tape them to the front of a plain white envelope and then throw a stamp on it. Nothing crazy. It still saves me a ton of time. You can adjust the dimensions of the code as it generates the addresses from the CSV. And then it's really that simple. You can use this code to use the data in that CSV in other ways. This kind of could show you how to do that. There's lots you can do. If you have any ideas of other automation tools that you want to see, think would be useful, you want to learn how I do this kind of stuff, let me know. Again, if this helped you, please leave a like, subscribe. I'm going to be putting out more things like this. Lots of other stuff. Again, thanks for joining me on my journey to catch 'em all.